Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experiences using the software. In this video, we're exploring PassFab, found at PassFab.com. This website offers a suite of software solutions designed to help users recover or reset passwords for various platforms and file types. They cater to a wide range of needs, from forgotten Windows login credentials to retrieving passwords for specific applications, documents, and even zipped or compressed files. PassFab appears to provide tools for bypassing or recovering passwords for popular social media accounts, email services, and online platforms. This could be useful in situations where access has been lost due to a forgotten password, a locked account, or other similar circumstances. Navigation on the PassFab.com website appears straightforward, with different product categories clearly laid out. Users can browse tools by operating system, Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, or by the type of password recovery required, e.g., Apple ID, PDF password. The site likely includes detailed product descriptions, system requirements, and potentially user manuals or FAQs to guide users through the recovery process. It's important to note that using password recovery tools should always be done ethically and legally. Only attempt to recover passwords for accounts or files you own or have explicit permission to access. PassFab's website probably emphasizes the importance of responsible usage and highlights the potential security risks associated with lost or forgotten passwords. The range of software offered suggests a focus on providing solutions for various password-related challenges. This includes situations ranging from simple password retrieval to more complex scenarios such as bypassing security measures. Before utilizing any of the PassFab tools, it's highly recommended to thoroughly research the software and understand its capabilities, limitations, and potential legal implications. Always prioritize responsible and ethical use.